Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find similarities between two images. Create a folder and open it on Visual Studio Code. Then create a virtual environment. To creating a virtual environment, run a command python mvenv followed by the virtual environment name. So I have already created an environment which is env. To activate this environment, run the command name of environment hyphen scripts hyphen activate. Then so as you can see, the virtual environment is activated. Then we have to install the required packages, which is opencv-python and opencv-contrib python. So I've already installed it. Install opencv then python. So as you can see, I have already installed it. Then we have to install one more, which is install opencv and second image, which is image to compare or find similarities. So image, create a variable called image to compare and read it with the same function. I am read and images I'm going to take the same image to find the similarities easily between the image. So first we run the script to show the loaded images are going to resize the image because the size is too big for the screen. So cv2.resize and pass the variable, then give the dimensions, which is 1000 and 650. Do it for the second one also. Resize image to compare. Then cv2.imshow to show the image and name of a file. Pass the variable for the second one also. image to compare. Save the file and run the script. Sorry. Using Python index. Index.py. So as you can see, both the images are loaded successfully. Start the comparison. Compare the size of both the images. So for comparison of a size, we have a shape function. So original dot shape is equals to image dot shape. Then it is not necessary if the shape of the size of an image is equal, that means both the images are similar. To find more similarities, we have to subtract the original image to the other image to find the differences in colors at the different pixels. So difference is equals to cv2 dot subtract original and image to compare. And if we show the difference image, then run the file again, Python index.py. As you can see, the difference image is all black because both the images are similar. So we are going to split the each channels separately, which is blue, red and green at every pixel. Blue, green and red is equals to cv dot split. With the help of a split method, we are splitting the each color at every pixel. So pass the difference image, and to put a if condition to count a difference at every pixel, which is red, blue and green. So count non-zero cv2 dot count non-zero pgr. We have to do it for the each channel. So and cv dot count non-zero and bgr. Images are completely same. we are going to use now this image, which is a filtered one, and we have loaded the image. And again, now run the program. Just sorry, there is a typo here. And run the program. As you can see, the log message, which is images are different. So to see the difference, we have to resize the difference image, which is difference is equals to cv2.resize difference and dimensions. Now again run the program to see the differences. As you can see, this is the difference image we are getting. So find out the similarities between both the images. We are going to use a different algorithm to find the similarities. For ORB algorithm, we have to create an ORB differentiator. ORB equals to cv2 dot ORB dot create. Then we have to find key points and descriptors in both the images, which we are going to use to differentiate, or we can say to find similarities between the two images. So key point 1 comma descriptor _1. So ORB dot detect and compute original image, and we have no masks, so none. Then for the second image, ORB dot detect and compute image to compare them. So we have instantiated both the key points. Then we have to find a match between the key points. So we are going to instant matcher is equals to cv2 dot bf matcher and cv2 dot norm Hamming. Then matches is equals to matcher dot Kenyan match to find the matches. Pass it the descriptor 1, then descriptor 2. Then we are going to print the matches we are getting. So length matches program. As you can see, we are getting 500 matches. Draw the matches on an image which is final image. Then again run the program. Sorry, I'm missing the cv2.im show. Images is equals to final image. Then run the program to see the matches. As you can see, there is some false matches are also there, which is not necessarily or not even present on the same image. So we have to find good points or precise matches. To get the precise matches, we are going to write a function, one more function here, which is create a empty array called good and traverse and loop for m and in matches. Then if m dot distance is less than 0.7 into and into distance. As you might notice, we have using 0.6. It means that lower the ratio number, the more precise the matches you can get. So if we are if you write 1 here instead of 0.7, you will get the lots of matches, or obviously there is some also false one. And if you write 0.1, so there might be less chances you can find the good matches, or you can find the similarities in between images, which is hard to detect the images are similar or not. So we are using 0.7. you can use 0.6, 0.5 as your wish. So if dot append m, and we are going to replace matches with good. Then again run the program. Less matches than the previous one, and it is more accurate to find the similarities between the image, or you can make a decision according to that the image is similar or not. So that's all for now. If you find this video helpful, please like the button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time.